Yeah, so mechanical tension is, it's not very well misunderstood, but it's defined as the type of force that applies to stretching a material. So when you think about strength training, like muscles stretch on the eccentric, and then you have isometric where they hold, and then concentric where they shorten. So a lot of times when they start talking about mechanical tension, they'll actually be focused on the concentric. So it takes dramatically less force for isometric contraction, especially eccentrics. That's why you can eccentrically load. When you start overcoming gravity, you get into concentric movements. Now, obviously, you're dramatically weaker. You can, put on huge amounts of weight and eccentrically load it. We saw that with Cal Dietz's, triphasic program when we were focused on eccentrics and also isometric contractions versus concentric. You can isometrically hold more weight. You can eccentrically load more weight. But now when you start talking about overcoming gravity, then now that's the concentric. So when you start talking about mechanical tension, we're really focusing on working that mechanical tension to failure within that concentric contraction. So, a lot of times we'll see force negatives and isometric contractions at different points, which are benefit, but all that's going to do is fatigue the muscle. So when we start talking about mechanical tension, now we're talking about going to failure within that concentric contraction.